so that's the original look that's on this truck. And they're pretty cool, pretty retro, but just going for a different kind of a look. So from this to that, I think it's going to look really good. Sorry about that. Okay, so not that exciting, but needs to be done. Four-aught steel wool and simple green. That's it. Guess I gotta hook up the hose. Man, gotta love the smell of that simple green, huh? These sure aren't perfect. And they came out of a junkyard, believe it or not. But I've got some wheels and some tires that I've been working on for the Bonanza. And kind of a cross between the OBS steel wheels and the Squarebody Chevy wheels. So this part of it is cleaning this stuff up. Now these have dents and, you know, they're not perfect, but we can get a good shine on them, and I'm okay with that. I wish I had more of this to show you, but I kind of did the wheels kind of like, I don't know, just kind of didn't really have an opportunity to show you the before and the afters. Maybe I'll pop some pictures out on the screen here and you can kind of see what I'm talking about. Anyway, I just went with my buddy to one of those pull and saves and found some steel wheels, pulled them off, thought, sure, let's clean them up, see how they work, you know. Now this steel wool is going to take any surface rust or anything off, shine them up real nice. This is kind of what we're looking at here. All of that surface rust and stuff. We want to kind of get rid of all that. A few of these aren't in the best shape. I tried to kind of pick and choose which ones I could get. And, you know, I ended up with what I ended up with, and I'm just going to make it work. I think all in all, for the wheels and tires, paint, maybe like $300, and getting them mounted and balanced, $350. And I got the rubber from the junkyard too, so you guys will just have to wait and see a minute. This is by far the worst one. Like I said, it is what it is. Just a driver. So, like I said, not perfect, but nice big dent on that one. I'll still run it until I can find a replacement one. Like I said, those were the best ones I could find in the junkyard. Okay, so what I have here is the final section of the wheels, just the final puzzle, I guess. These I bought off of eBay for I think 50 bucks. Came in a set of 4. They're the Squarebody style. I don't know if they're really the real style of Squarebody, but made in Taiwan. They come with bolts. Here's the problem: when you buy these are metric bolts. They have a thread, I think it's 8 by 1.25 or something like that. M8 by 1.25. Anyway, when I drilled out the rims for these screws, I threaded them for that. But the problem that we have after that is that these are just like 1/8 of an inch too long, so they don't seat all the way in, they don't tighten down all the way. So basically what I'm doing, I've already done some of them. Basically what I'm doing is 2 at a time, I'm cutting off and re-threading. So I'm just going to do one set for you guys, kind of show you just really quick what I do. Might be a little hot, might have gone a little low on one of them, but we'll fix it up. So this isn't bolted down or anything, but it's just a good holder, something to hold it. Interesting. Okay, threaded. So what I like to do, and if you don't have a threader, that's okay. If you have a bench grinder, but that one has, the bearings are bad. I bought it because I liked the way it looked at a yard sale or whatever, and the bearings are bad and I need to get something different. Anyway, if you do have a bench grinder, you can just take this, knock it off at a 45-degree angle, and usually that'll get your threads right to where you need to be. So just like that. And I know I could have gone and bought a little bit shorter bolts, but this is pretty quick. Anyway, I'm gonna knock all these out and then show you guys what the hubcaps or what the center caps look like on the wheels. Okay guys, this is what we're looking at right here. We got some 235/75 R15s from the Junkyard. Those ended up being about $135 or so. And then the wheels and tires were like $70, or the wheels were like $70. And took some time sandblasting them, and then with the primer and the paint and everything, you know, $100 or so. And then I had to buy the center caps, and I'll show you those right there. So there's the wheel, but that's what we're going to be running. Now those are the 15 by, what are they, 7? 15 by 7. And that's basically what we're going to be running. Now these are the OBS rim. Don't look too close because it's not perfect, but the OBS rim, and I bought these Squarebody center caps. So if you'll notice, you have some holes right here for the mounting locations, and I'm gonna have to punch those, drill them out, and then tap them so that we can mount these center caps on there. But I think those are gonna look pretty darn good. The rubber might look a little thick right now, but that's basically like a stock size tire. I think the originals were 215/75 R15s, so a little bit smaller, but these will look better, fill up the wheel well a little bit better. And so that's just what we're gonna run. And cheapy tires, cheapy wheels, cheap everything. Trying to get this done on a budget. So here's this. I just set a few of these lug nuts on here. These were on Amazon for like 18 or 19 bucks. They're half by 20, and they're better than the stock ones. They're just open on the ends. But basically this is the look we're going for right here. So you guys can let me know what you think. I think personally it looks pretty good, and I think it's gonna look a lot better than that. This is not perfect, but she's pretty good. Instagram account, Boys Customs.
You guys can go on there and follow me, and you can see some of the progress, some of the things you didn't see in this video. You can see some of my other projects and other things that are going on. Yeah, I appreciate you guys watching, and let me know what you think. Unless you're going to be a jerk about it, then keep your opinions to yourself, and have a good one, eh? We'll see you.